warning for Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin until 6 p.m.
Right.
At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dickaville, or 7 miles northeast of Dubuque, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Wheeler, New Diggings, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Calamine, and Lead Mine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
First warning so far.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio
Slightly.
WX.